I'm going to show you how to fix this Vizio model P65-E1, which is completely dead. So I have it plugged in, I just powered it on. Normally, we're supposed to see a white standby light at the bottom left corner of the set. Unfortunately, we're not getting anything. It's completely dead. So let's open it up and find out why. We have our power supply, LED driver board, and main board. We're going to be focusing on that main board. The main board is the board that most commonly fails with this TV set and does cause the no power issues, can cause cycling issues, can cause the standby light does turn on, the set does power up, but no picture, and a variety of other issues. But for now, let's remove the board and bring it to our workbench. I'm going to start by disconnecting our ribbon over here by lifting the latch, pulling the ribbon out. We'll close that latch up. Then we'll disconnect by pinching the top of this connector. Same with this one. Same with this one. Same latch mechanism over here. We lift the latch up and pull the ribbon out. And then we'll pinch, there's a clip up the top here. I'm gonna pinch it and wiggle the connector out. Finally, same over here. Now we can go ahead and unscrew the board. We'll go ahead and remove this. Same here. And it should just lift up. There's a couple pieces of tape here. There we go, and some thermal pads. We'll leave those on the TV right there. And there we go. That's how you remove the main board. The reason we see this main board fail so often is because of the two processors located underneath this heatsink. So let's take it off. Now that we've removed the heatsink, we've exposed the two processors over here and over here. The reason they fail is because they are BGA type processors. BGA, bulk grid array, is the type of package that the chip uses to attach to the board. So there's a bulk grid array attaching the processor chip to the PCB. When you turn the TV on, the processors get hot, they warm up, they have thermal expansion at a different rate than the PCB. When the TV is turned off, they cool down, again, different thermal coefficient than the PCB. When that happens, the chip and the PCB will contract and expand at different rates, and that causes stress on that bulk grid array. So the solder balls begin to crack. In order to resolve this issue, we need to reflow, so completely melt those solder balls, reform those bonds in order to get proper connection between the chip and the PCB. So let's go ahead and do that using our rework machine. Now that I've told you which board causes the no picture, the cycling, and no power faults, go ahead and hit that like if you found the video helpful so far, and keep watching. I'm about to show you the full repair process. Also, if you want to send in your main board for repair, we do have a 1-year warranty on all of our repairs, and we have a flat rate on this one. We'll have links in the description down below, as well in the pinned comments at the top.
The back is not moving. There we go.
I've reinstalled the main board back into the TV, so let's go ahead and power it up. And we should see our white standby light, which it is appearing now. Okay, just powered it on, the white light came back up, and we do have picture. Now this is a crack screen, this is just our test set, so that's normal, but the important thing is we have picture, so we did successfully fix the main board. If you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe. And again, if you do want to send in your main board for repair, we'll have links down in the description and in the pinned comment at the top. Thanks for watching.